So for the past week, I've been learning how neural networks work from the Zero to Hero playlist by Andrej Karpathy, and to follow along with the code, we're supposed to use Jupyter. But the fact that I had to open up my browser for a little bit of Python interactivity just didn't sit right with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a Jupyter notebook-like experience with Helix, IPython, and the Kitty terminal. So let's hop onto the terminal. I'm going to be leaving a template GitHub repository in the video description, which essentially has these files, including the pyproject.toml file, which you can run uvsync to synchronize the dependencies. The readme file will contain the commands that we're going to be running next. So the first step is to open Kitty with remote control enabled. Let me increase the font size. Next up, we want to run IPython in a vertical split. And now we can edit our main file. Ignore the matplotlib magic statement for now, and whenever I select a statement or a block of statements and press Ctrl R, it gets loaded into IPython and then gets run. This works both for expressions like 1 plus 3 and code that has print statements. Now what this line does is it sets the matplotlib backend to KitKat as specified in the project dependencies. If I run this, well, nothing happens yet. Now, if I run this chunk of code, it generates a tanh from -1 to 1. Essentially, KitKat leverages the built-in image viewing capabilities of the Kitty terminal and just shows you the plot. One last thing I want to mention is if I hover over this variable, I can Ctrl R on that and it gives me the raw value of the variable itself, which I find pretty neat. So yeah, that's about it for this interactive demo with Kitty and Helix. Check out the GitHub repository in the description and tell me what you did with it. Take care. Bye.